Because I think everyone, of the 8 billion people of Earth, I think everyone's going to want their Optimus buddy. And there's going to be maybe two.
12 hours of continuous work and self-charging. Tesla Optimus is not just a rumor. With a uniquely optimized 4,680 battery, promising to bring in tens of thousands of dollars each year. What future when every home has an Optimus? Before we begin, please help us reach 4,600 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great episodes about Tesla Model Q, Tesla EVs, and the latest news. How does the battery system of Optimus Gen 3 set the standard? We have seen Optimus perform various tasks thanks to its 4,680 battery system, but few realize that these battery cells have actually been integrated into the robot's design. According to available information, the Optimus Gen 1 uses a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack, and while Tesla has not disclosed details about the Gen 2 battery, it is likely to remain compact to avoid adding too much weight to the robot. However, with the large-scale production of the 4,680 cells, Tesla may have implemented some improvements. Currently, Optimus is capable of performing a wide range of tasks, from simple to complex, much like a versatile household assistant. Elon Musk has repeatedly emphasized that this robot will be an invaluable aid for people with busy schedules, helping with household chores after work. In other words, Optimus is designed to save you time. Imagine that within 12 hours of activation, Optimus can clean the house, cook, play with the family, mow the lawn, or fold clothes, all completed before you return home. According to current information, the robot can operate continuously for 10 hours before needing to recharge, which is quite impressive. However, Optimus consumes more energy when performing tasks that require movement compared to when it is stationary. With a larger 4,680 battery, Optimus Gen 2 has a capacity of up to 3 kilowatt-hours, higher than the 2.3 kilowatt-hours of Gen 1. What's particularly notable is the recent update revealing how Optimus recharges itself, which previously we thought would be similar to charging an electric vehicle, requiring manual plugging in. However, Tesla has made this process much smarter. Now, Optimus can automatically charge without user intervention, much like the Cybercab. The Cybercab automatically returns to a wireless charging station, and Optimus has a similar capability. The robot can locate and navigate to connect itself to a wall-mounted charger via an extended connector. After fully charging, it will disconnect and continue its tasks. This is the main reason why no competitor can keep up with Tesla, a fully autonomous robot performing all tasks. One of the standout features of Optimus is its ability to understand human body language. It can recognize gestures, such as pointing or signaling, which helps optimize interactions without verbal communication. This is particularly useful for people who have difficulty speaking, as they can still use gestures to communicate and request tasks from the Tesla bot. Recent advancements in artificial intelligence have allowed robots to achieve incredible capabilities in just a few years. Creative AI is the key factor enabling the development of advanced robots, especially in the humanoid robot field. Robots are where AI meets the real world. Just as ChatGPT can provide recipes but cannot cook for you, the scenario with Optimus is different. Elon Musk has emphasized that the difference between the Tesla bot and other humanoid robots lies in the brain of artificial intelligence controlling them. Tesla is one of the pioneers in practical AI, having created the brain that powers self-driving cars, which are essentially robots on wheels. And now they are transferring that technology into a robot with legs. With autonomous driving capabilities and a powerful neural network, transferring this technology to a humanoid robot is a natural step. Moreover, Tesla Optimus is designed to be easy to use, easy to navigate, and built to serve humans, helping eliminate dangerous, repetitive, and mundane tasks. When you want to take AI to the next level, you need to partner with tech giants like Microsoft, Nvidia, Google, or similar companies. These companies possess resources that no one else has, including governments. Nvidia has been an important partner for Tesla, which is why they use Nvidia chips for their supercomputer system. Now, Elon Musk believes that Tesla has developed a brain for robots that no competitor can match.
So in order to have the robot not cost like hundreds of thousands of dollars, in order to make it cost like $10,000 or $20,000, you actually need to design for manufacturing.
Those who wish to own an Optimus robot in their home will have to wait until 2026, when mass production is expected to begin. However, the initial price, ranging from $20,000 to $30,000, will be a barrier depending on the specific version. Elon Musk has also stated that while the price will be high initially, it is expected to decrease over time, making the robot more accessible to a wider range of users in the future. Once again, please help us reach 4,600 subscribers. This is important for us to stay motivated. Thank you. What is the specific and latest plan for using Optimus in 2025? Initially, many believed that Tesla was designing the Optimus robot solely for use within its automotive factories, with no indication that it would be developed for civilian applications. However, Elon Musk clarified on X that starting in 2025, Tesla will begin limited production of humanoid robots for internal use. Even so, the number of robots in the early phase is expected to remain relatively small, around 1,000 to 2,000 units depending on the production pace. In the future, manufacturing will largely be run by robots, with automation becoming essential for ensuring sustainability. Elon Musk understands this well and has spent years pursuing the concept of a machine that builds machines. According to a report from McKinsey, automation could boost global productivity by up to 1.4% annually, reducing labor costs and enhancing production efficiency. Musk has been a pioneer in integrating automation into Tesla's production lines, from welding robots to the use of the Gigapress. At Tesla's Gigafactories, robots and automated machines like giant robotic arms, the Gigapress, and production lines are already present. However, these machines typically perform only a single task. Achieving a fully automated production process requires mobile, multi-purpose robots, the very goal Elon Musk is aiming for. A PwC study indicates that automation in manufacturing could cut average production costs by up to 20% within the next 5 years, a promising figure if Tesla succeeds in scaling up Optimus production. Recently, Tesla demonstrated that Optimus can navigate autonomously in a dynamic work environment, moving through areas it has never worked in before. This marks a significant milestone in autonomous movement and operation without human intervention. Optimus can map its surroundings, analyze data, and make decisions efficiently, optimizing workflow within Tesla's factories. In a recent test, the robot autonomously moved through a complex production space containing about 30 workers and 10 active machines, performing its tasks precisely within 5 minutes. Currently, the manufacturing sector faces a shortage of around 300,000 workers, and similar shortages exist in warehousing and logistics, with over 600,000 unfilled positions. A Deloitte study shows that labor shortages in manufacturing could reduce productivity by 10% to 15%. While robotics is not a new focus, the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence now gives robots like Optimus the potential to transform the industrial landscape entirely. Elon Musk has predicted that Optimus could increase Tesla's market value to $25 trillion and make it the world's largest robotics company, with a demand ranging from 10 to 20 billion units. If achieved, this would give Tesla approximately 70% of the global humanoid robot market, according to industry forecasts. Beyond cutting-edge technology, Tesla Bot's biggest advantage lies in its ability to scale mass production. Elon Musk emphasized that every component of the current Optimus, from actuators to hardware and batteries, is designed in-house by Tesla. This independence from external suppliers allows Tesla to rapidly scale while driving down the production cost of each robot to just $10,000, significantly lower than the industry average of $50,000 to $70,000 for similar humanoid robots. This cost efficiency is a key reason why Elon Musk is confident that Optimus will become a mainstream product in the robotics market in the coming years.
But a C-3PO plus R2-D2 plus, plus. it would be pretty awesome. I think everyone in the world is going to want one.
What happens to the cost when Optimus is upgraded for longer working hours? Recently, during a live Tesla all-hands event, Elon Musk stirred up the tech world with a series of ambitious statements about the company's humanoid robot project, Optimus. While not every word from Elon turns into reality, several key details suggest that the rollout of Optimus is entering a more serious and tangible phase than ever before. Tesla currently aims to produce at least 5,000 units of Optimus this year. However, in typical Musk fashion, he hinted that the number could rise to 10,000 or even 12,000 if everything goes smoothly. Elon noted that even hitting half of that goal would be considered a success, as Optimus is a completely new product, with its production processes and components all being developed from scratch. At first glance, a few thousand robots may not sound like much, but the real breakthrough is that Tesla has managed to establish an actual production line. This is a step that most other robotics companies have yet to achieve. In fact, we've seen hundreds of humanoid robot prototypes developed in labs around the world, but very few of them have made it out of the prototype stage into true mass production. What sets Tesla apart is its ability to bring robots from concept to industrial scale, thanks to its deep expertise in critical areas like real-world AI trained via Tesla vehicles, battery technology, electronics, electric motors, and especially large-scale manufacturing. While many companies are still stuck in the experimental phase, Tesla has quietly built robot production lines right inside its Fremont factory. Beyond just the technology, Musk surprised many by revealing that the production cost of each Optimus robot could be as low as $10,000, an unprecedented figure in the world of humanoid robotics. Additionally, Tesla plans not only to sell the robot directly, but also to offer it through a rental model first, making it easier for users to access and evaluate its capabilities before committing to full ownership. Musk confirmed that bots will be offered for lease first, then for purchase. Industry observers estimate that if the purchase price lands between $20,000 and $30,000, then a reasonable rental cost for a Tesla bot could be around $320 per month, or roughly $3,480 per year. That is a fairly affordable price to experience a humanoid robot capable of working 12 hours a day, handling repetitive tasks or basic care needs in daily life. At the moment, within the entire humanoid robotics sector, only Tesla and Figure AI are seen as having both a clear product strategy and the actual capability to scale up manufacturing. Other companies like Unitree, Boston Dynamics, and 1X have so far remained focused on tech showcases, without concrete plans for mass production. As a result, Tesla's cost advantage and large-scale production capabilities are positioning it as a strong contender to lead the humanoid robot race in the coming decade. The Tesla Bot Gen 3 arrives with the promise of a revolution in households, but it comes with a $10,000 price tag. For many families, this is a significant investment. They need to weigh practical needs against its value and usefulness. How will the Tesla bot adapt to the diverse needs of different families? Before we begin, please help us reach 5,500 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great episodes about Tesla Model Q, Tesla EVs, and the latest news. Why is the $10,000 price a hurdle for Tesla bots' widespread availability? One of the biggest barriers to widespread adoption of the Tesla Bot Gen 3 lies in the overlap between its advertised capabilities and tasks that humans can already perform on their own. Activities such as cleaning, cooking, and other light household chores are not particularly complex and are things most people can manage without the aid of an expensive piece of technology. According to a survey by Statista, nearly 80% of U.S. households still primarily handle domestic tasks themselves without outsourcing services. This makes spending $10,000 on a robot to perform such duties a hard sell for the majority of consumers. To justify such a large investment, consumers must perceive clear, superior advantages. Can Tesla Bot Gen 3 clean more efficiently, faster, and more thoroughly than traditional methods? Can it prepare complex meals with quality equal to or better than a home cook? More than 60% of consumers still consider household chores like cooking and cleaning insufficiently complex to warrant robotic assistance. If Tesla Bot fails to outperform human capabilities or lacks clear differentiation, spending $10,000 on a helper seems unnecessary. Furthermore, the actual performance and reliability of Tesla Bot Gen 3 in diverse, complex real-world home environments remain significant unknowns. While demonstration videos and early specifications may appear impressive, the true value of the robot lies in its ability to operate stably, accurately, and flexibly in unpredictable scenarios. In a study by MIT on home robot reliability, execution errors such as damaging furniture or cooking incorrectly accounted for 15% of recorded incidents. This raises serious questions about the long-term durability and operational stability of Tesla Bot in the home. Technical malfunctions, costly maintenance needs, and the ability to handle unexpected situations, like new obstacles or shifting instructions, are all valid concerns. If the robot cannot demonstrate consistent reliability and performance, consumers will hesitate to embrace an expensive and potentially risky product. Another key factor affecting real-world demand for Tesla Bot Gen 3 is its ability to learn and adapt to the unique living context of each household. More than 72% of consumers believe that an ideal home robot should adapt flexibly to changes in their home and personal routines. Every household has a different layout, daily habits, and specific needs. If Tesla Bot Gen 3 only functions based on pre-programmed routines and lacks practical adaptability, its usability will be significantly limited. In fact, 68% of consumers say they would only consider buying a home robot if it could learn its environment and adjust its behavior over time. If Tesla Bot lacks this capability, users will likely feel that they own a rigid device, one that doesn't truly understand or meet their personal needs. Finally, a general lack of trust in humanoid robot technology could be a major barrier to the mainstreaming of Tesla Bot Gen 3. While robots are increasingly present in industrial and research applications, integrating a humanoid robot into private living spaces remains a novel concept for many. Americans often report discomfort with using robotic technology in daily life, primarily due to concerns about safety, privacy, and potential misuse. Fears include: could the robot pose a physical danger to humans? Could it collect and misuse personal data? Negative portrayals in popular culture only add to this apprehension, lowering interest in ownership. Consumers report a lack of trust in the robot's ability to protect their data, and 35% express concerns about potential harm or technical malfunctions. Tesla must work to build consumer trust by increasing transparency, ensuring strict safety and data protection standards, and clearly communicating the robot's practical benefits in a way that is easy for the public to understand. Once again, please help us reach 5,500 subscribers. This is important for us to stay motivated. Thank you. What are the actual benefits Tesla Bot brings to everyday household tasks? Tesla Bot Gen 3 promises to be a groundbreaking advancement in the automation of household tasks, with its practical applications set to significantly impact the way we manage daily chores. Based on current information and technological progress, Tesla Bot will be capable of performing thousands of tasks, including cleaning, cooking, laundry, and assisting family members, particularly the elderly or disabled. Regarding cleaning capabilities, Tesla Bot will surpass the limitations of current robotic vacuum cleaners. While vacuum robots can only clean floor surfaces, Tesla Bot Gen 3 will be able to mop floors, clean surfaces like glass or wood, and tackle hard-to-reach areas such as beneath large furniture. With the integration of smart sensors, Tesla Bot will detect dirt levels and automatically adjust its cleaning methods. It is predicted that Tesla Bot will be able to clean a 200 square meter home in approximately 2 to 3 hours, saving 50 to 60% of the time compared to traditional robotic vacuums, giving homeowners more time for other activities. When it comes to cooking, Tesla Bot will be able to execute over 1,000 recipes, from simple dishes to complex meals. It is anticipated that Tesla Bot will prepare meals for a family of 4 to 6 people within 30 to 45 minutes, reducing cooking time compared to current household appliances. This will provide great convenience, particularly for busy families or individuals who lack cooking skills. For laundry tasks, Tesla Bot Gen 3 will not only wash clothes, but also handle post-wash tasks such as sorting, folding, and organizing clothes. It is estimated that Tesla Bot could perform over 50 to 60 laundry tasks each week for an average household, saving around 5 to 6 hours per week, compared to manual washing or using automated washing machines. Furthermore, with its ability to recognize different fabric types and customize washing methods, Tesla Bot will help preserve the quality and longevity of clothing. Tesla Bot will also bring significant benefits to the elderly and disabled. With its ability to move flexibly and communicate via voice commands, Tesla Bot will assist with daily tasks such as delivering medication, organizing items, or helping in emergency situations. It is predicted that Tesla Bot could assist users for up to 10 to 15 hours per week in these tasks, reducing dependency on caregivers and allowing elderly individuals to live more independently. In addition, Tesla Bot Gen 3 will have the capability to monitor home security with integrated sensors and cameras. The robot will be able to detect intrusions, smoke, or other unusual events within the home and automatically send alerts to homeowners. It is expected that Tesla Bot's monitoring capabilities could reduce the risk of fire or security incidents by 30 to 40%, thanks to its early detection and swift response. Finally, Tesla Bot Gen 3 will have the ability to optimize energy use within the home. It is predicted that it could save 10 to 20% of monthly energy costs by automatically turning off unused devices, adjusting the home's temperature, or controlling other electronic devices. This not only helps reduce household expenses, but also contributes to environmental protection by reducing energy consumption. With these predictions, Tesla Bot Gen 3 will not only replace existing household appliances, but also usher in a new future for families, helping save time, improve efficiency, and create a smarter, safer, and more economical living environment. What are the long-term financial challenges of owning a Tesla Bot? The price of $10,000 is a significant upfront cost, but it is only the first part of the total cost of owning a Tesla Bot Gen 3. In addition to the purchase price of the robot, consumers will face hidden costs related to maintenance, upgrades, and technical support throughout the product's lifecycle. This raises a major question about the long-term feasibility of owning a technological device like the Tesla Bot in a household. After purchasing the robot, consumers will need to maintain and repair the device when issues arise. Hardware maintenance, such as replacing worn-out components, will incur unpredictable costs. Parts like motors, sensors, and other mechanical components may wear out over time, increasing maintenance and repair costs. While Tesla promises to provide maintenance services, these costs will be an important factor to consider, particularly for low and middle-income households. In addition to hardware maintenance, software upgrade costs will also arise. The robot will need regular software updates to maintain effective operation and security. New features, learning capabilities, and AI algorithms may require premium service packages or upgrade fees, which add to the long-term cost. If consumers do not maintain these updates, the robot could become obsolete and unable to perform new tasks or handle complex situations. One of the key factors to consider when assessing the long-term feasibility of Tesla Bot is technology risks. While robotics technology is advancing rapidly, it is still in its early stages and susceptible to the rapid changes in the industry. If the software is not updated regularly or does not keep up with new technologies, the Tesla Bot may become obsolete in a short period. This is particularly crucial when considering tech products, as they are often replaced or improved quickly, and a product that is not supported for the long term may lose its value. Another major issue is that if Tesla stops supporting the software or providing maintenance services, users will not be able to maintain their robots independently. In such a case, the Tesla Bot may become an unusable investment, especially if replacement parts become scarce or expensive. This raises a question about the sustainability of the Tesla Bot ownership model, as owning a tech product is not just about the initial cost, but also ensuring that the product can be maintained and used throughout its life cycle. While some consumers may be willing to pay for a product with superior performance, most still have concerns about the long-term affordability of the Tesla Bot, especially considering the ongoing costs. To address this issue, Tesla could consider offering more flexible payment models, such as renting or installment plans. A rental model would help reduce the initial financial burden and allow consumers to access the product without committing to a large upfront payment. Renting the Tesla Bot would be similar to renting other household devices, such as water purifiers or Wi-Fi, with regular payments. This not only helps consumers save on initial costs, but also reduces the risk of the technology becoming obsolete. Furthermore, when the rental period ends, consumers can choose to upgrade to the latest version without worrying about owning outdated technology. Additionally, an installment model would allow consumers to pay for the Tesla Bot over a longer period without financial strain. With monthly payments ranging from $250 to $350, consumers could own the Tesla Bot without paying a large sum up front. However, for the installment model to be effective, Tesla must provide comprehensive after-sales services and technical support, maintenance, and regular software upgrades to ensure the product's value is maintained throughout its usage. In conclusion, the $10,000 price tag for Tesla Bot Gen 3 will only be justified if the robot delivers clear, sustained value in everyday life. Beyond flashy demonstrations, it must consistently outperform traditional methods in cleaning, cooking, and other tasks, not just in convenience but in precision, reliability, and adaptability. If Tesla Bot can reduce the time, effort, and stress of daily chores while learning and adjusting to each household's unique lifestyle, it has the potential to become more than just a luxury. It becomes a transformative investment. However, this vision depends on Tesla's ability to ensure long-term support, regular software upgrades, low maintenance requirements, and a strong user experience. So, do you believe a $10,000 robot assistant can truly replace the effort and time you spend on daily chores? And if so, what would it have to do to earn that value in your eyes? We appreciate your contributions and hope you will have the most relaxing feelings after watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button and join the Techno Creator family by subscribing to our channel. And don't miss out on any of our awesome videos by hitting the bell icon. We value your feedback and your time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Until then, stay safe and have fun.